Hi everyone, Brandt here. Finally, our dressmaking course is here. But I'll see something in a store and I'll buy it and just think, okay, I'm gonna do something with it. I'm just gonna wrap it around and we're just gonna clip it. You'll see all kinds of things and you'll be like, oh my gosh, that's a dress. Ooh, those are fresh. Look how beautiful.
Oh my gosh, wow.
They're committed, they're kind of in it with you. Pull this part back and shimmies going that way. 1, 2, 3. Oh! What's crazy is me doing this, when you see it, it's gonna look nothing like what it looks like in real life. So I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, Anna, I can see the tube and I know this. So another necklace. And make sure when you're, squeeze, yes, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I love it. It's just, it couldn't be more simpler.
Oh, wow.
Wow, that was worth it, huh? Yes, right there, right there, right there. Little smile and look right at me.
Aww.
Isn't that cute?
Looks like a dress that you could buy.
I know. Now, what I did, stay sideways for a minute. What I did was I took the clips and I went inside and clipped. I think what's great about tools, it just lets you shape it. It's just something, look at what a difference that made.
Aww.
Isn't that so cute? I don't think there's anything more satisfying than cutting fabric. So if you're